Hi everyone, this is Sagar Shah and currently I am at a metro station. Which metro station is it? I am at the Guru Dronacharya metro station in Gurugram, India. And as you go inside the metro station, there is a shop here, a cafe called Cut Coffee Paste. And when you enter here, you will see that it has a chess club. Espresso Defense Chess Club, which is started in collaboration with Chessbase India and Cut Coffee Paste. Insane. Let's go inside here and we see this beautiful cafe, which is now home to a chess club. And actually it has a capacity of close to 30 to 40 people. And here we have Amruta, Harsh, Adarsh, and Harsh is here. You are the owner of Cut Coffee Paste. How did you decide to turn it into a chess club, Espresso Defense Chess Club?
I don't know, I think I'm learning from you guys, the passion you guys have for chess. It kind of pushed me that I have a beautiful space, why not use it? And then I just want people to come here and play.
So when do you think this becomes, like right now it's a cafe, when does it become a chess club?
Whenever people come, like if all of the customers come and they start to play chess, I'll stop the customers from coming. At that point of time, it's a chess club.
Really?
Yeah.
But that will affect your business, no?
That's okay, I mean...
You are okay?
Yeah, passion for chess trumps, profits.
Wow. Okay, I just want to see a bit of what is put up. I see a lot of paintings here on the walls. Are these all paintings done by you?
Yes.
So you are also an artist?
Yeah. I am an artist. I am also trying to complete a novel for a couple of years now. I have a typewriter. It has gone for servicing right now, but yeah, I think this is my part-time business. My primary business is playing chess, make paintings, and just spread love.
Is this the only Cut Coffee Paste outlet, or there are
At
many?
the moment, yes, we have 2 outlets here. One takeaway outlet
Downstairs,
and then one dining. But we are expanding. So wherever Cut Coffee Paste goes,
there will be chess.
Espresso Defense would be an integral part of it.
Wow, that's so nice to know. And here we can see an apron here with a sign of Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
And the cup.
Wow. And this also the cup. Was he here or?
No, we met him somewhere.
Okay. So you're also a cricket fan?
Yeah. I have a bat. Wo bat now? I'll show you a bat now. Recently we got this limited edition.
Oh my god.
Limited edition from Delhi Capitals.
So it has all the signatures of all the players.
Yes.
That's amazing.
So we'll also put it here.
And you also have something for chess here.
Yes.
It's a autographed chess board by...
All thanks to Chessbase India for gifting us this, and it's been signed by the legendary chess players right now. I mean...
Yeah, let's just have a look at it who are there. We have first Gukesh right in the middle. We have Arjun right up there. Narayan and Srinath is here. We have Divya. Oh, Divya is here. Vidit. Tanya. Prag is here. Oh, wow. It's amazing.
These are the chess-based premium chess set pieces.
How did you make them stand, like with magnet, yes?
No, with this
Screwed
transparent tape. It's a very strong tape.
Wow.
And that's how we decided to do it.
And we also have Samay and Biswa here. That's so nice to see. The origin of Ghoda is a respectable animal.
We'll get it signed by Samay someday. Whenever he'll have Samay for us, but we'll get it signed.
And here we have me and Amruta. That's so nice. Kone mein ghoda kaam kare thoda. Huh?
Nikhilesh Bhaiga.
Yeah, I think Nikhilesh, Rakesh, many people have said about it.
I mean, I heard it from you guys.
Amazing. And for all the people who are going to come here and play chess in the coming days, what would you recommend as your favorite dish in this entire menu?
White sauce pasta and classic cold coffee.
So there's also a lot of food also, not just drinks.
We have multi-cuisine, we have sushi ranging from Chinese to Italian to French. We have a big menu.
Wow.
all kind of food lovers, whatever they would want to have.
It's amazing. And tomorrow there is a tournament,
Yes.
and I think on weekends you plan to
Yes,
hold more
yes,
tournaments.
Yes. So every other weekend we have a tournament, and every other Sunday we also have a just chess meetup. You just come play
Acha.
chess, and then the next Sunday you'll have a tournament. Then next Sunday you'll have a chess meetup. So something like that. And
So
we are
people
keeping-
can follow all of this on Instagram on
Instagram.
Espresso Chess
Yes,
Defense.
Yes,
So there you can get all the updates.
done.
Amazing, amazing. Well, this is brilliant, and you can see here close to 30 to 40 people can fit in.
Yeah, no, around 60 people. can-
60 people can fit in here, and so to all the chess lovers out there,
यहाँ के पिज्जा में मशरूम, ब्रोकली, बेबी कॉर्न, कैप्सिकम, ऑनियन, स्वीट कॉर्न एंड ऑलिव सब कुछ जो अपने को पसंद है वो है.
maybe we should have come with more time. Now we have to go and catch the flight. So next time. But thank you so much, Harsh bhai, for doing this.
Thank you so much.